Hello friends, I am here to talk about Ranveer Alavadi again, and but with a different perspective. Yes, I was one of them who was slamming Ranveer for his cheap comments on the Late Show. Now, after hearing his apology video, I was also having a realization that let's show if he's really apologetic about what he said. Then let's show some that essence of Indian culture and forgive him and forget whatever happened. One aspect of this is also to that he copied this stupid question from a foreign show, and which I had a doubt ki our youths are getting influenced by the foreign culture, and this came from there only. This would definitely be having its root from some foreign show, और वही हुआ. अगर उसने खुद से ऐसा सोचकर ऐसा क्वेश्चन फ्रेम किया हो, ऐसा तो मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता हूँ कि उसने खुद से ये क्वेश्चन फ्रेम किया था. बट इवन ये क्वेश्चन पूछना ही, ये सवाल पूछना ही बहुत बड़ी गलती थी. But copy pasting this stupid question from stupid people who are associated with stupid culture was the biggest stupidity he did. Now he has apologized as well, and hoping he did it from all his heart. So let's forgive him, and let's remember the good contributions which he has done for the society. Let's not forget all the motivational and knowledge-rich content which he has offered to the audience. How he motivated people for meditation, mental peace, and physical fitness. Through his videos, he has also brought social and cultural awareness in the audience. So let's forget his good deeds as well. And what I mean to say is like ठीक है, उसने गलती की, हमने भी अपने रिएक्शंस दिए, हमने अपनी आपत्ति जताई. अब अगर उसे अपनी गलती का एहसास है तो let's give him a chance. And now he has got enough of bashing from all corners of the society. Even Chief Minister of Maharashtra was talking about it, that he should be punished, and social workers from all corners of the country, they are also reacting with much of heat. So this is enough. Now let's remember his good works as well, his contributions, his good contributions for the society. And for last, forgive him. This would be my appeal to everybody, that let's forgive him, close this chapter and move on.